In front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate app's permissions. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, hit privacy section available here, between security and location. Now tap on Permission Manager and pick any feature you wanna manage, like camera. Check out all of those sections, in my case allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or the last one not allowed, and pick one of your apps, like DevCheck. Now it's time to apply the best option for you by clicking on it. In this case, camera access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that DevCheck app just gained access to my camera while I'm using it. But most people miss my favorite feature in Permission Manager. You can pick any feature just to find an app you wanna manage. Click on this app, and instead of tapping on any of those options, select tiny text at the very bottom, see all permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!